How to log in to Workday account online on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to Workday account online on PC. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside it, what you can do is you can just click on the search bar, and there you can simply type Workday login and search for it. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the website of the Workday. Now from here you simply have to scroll down, and there you see five options, or let's say department, to log in from. So here you can simply select a department from which you want to log in, and here once you tap on it you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here what you have to do is you just have to click on the username or email field, and there you simply have to enter your username or email, and after that you just have to click on password, and there you simply have to enter your password that were given to you by your organization. And now here once you're done with it, you can just click on sign in. And with that being said, some companies enable two-factor authentication, so you may need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. So here just do that, and once you do it, you'll be logged in to your Workday account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.